If Chrome is showing a connection reset error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step, so you can get back online again. This usually happens when something on your computer, browser, or network is interrupting the connection. But the good news is that it's often very easy to fix. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful tech videos. Let's jump right in. First, temporarily disable your real-time antivirus or firewall protection. Sometimes, security software can be a little too aggressive and block Chrome from making a normal connection. Open your antivirus program or firewall settings and look for real-time protection, web protection, or network protection. Turn it off temporarily, then try loading the website again in Chrome. If the page works after that, you've found the cause. Just remember to turn your protection back on once you've finished testing, because you always want to keep your device secure. Next, if the issue is still there, we'll reset the Winsock catalog and the network IP settings on Windows. This is one of the best fixes when corrupted local network settings are causing connection problems. To do this, open the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. When the black command window opens, type each of these commands one at a time and press Enter after each one. First, type nets winsock reset. This resets the computer's internet socket settings. Then type nets int IP reset. This reinitializes your TCP/IP stack. After that, type ipconfig flush DNS. This clears the local DNS cache, which can help remove outdated or broken lookup data. Once all three commands are finished, restart your computer so the changes can fully take effect. Now, let's check for another common issue: VPNs and proxy settings. If you're using a VPN or proxy, it can sometimes act like a middleman and cause Chrome connection resets. Disconnect your VPN completely and try loading the site again. If you have a proxy enabled, go into your network or internet settings and turn it off for now. Then test Chrome once more. In many cases, the connection starts working immediately after removing that extra network layer. If Chrome still isn't behaving, the next step is to clear your cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become corrupted and interfere with websites loading properly. In Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. A clear browsing data window will appear. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Make sure the time range is set to all time, then click Delete Data. After that, close Chrome completely and reopen it. This gives the browser a fresh start and can often fix stubborn connection reset errors. The last fix is to power cycle your router or modem. Sometimes the issue isn't Chrome at all, it's your local internet hardware dropping connections. Unplug your router or modem from the power outlet and wait a full 30 seconds. This gives the device time to fully discharge and clear temporary faults. After that, plug it back in and wait about 2 minutes for the lights to turn solid green and the connection to fully restore. Once the internet is back, open Chrome and test the website again. If you followed these steps in order, there's a very good chance the Chrome connection reset error is gone now. The best part is that these fixes are simple, safe, and work for most common browser and network issues. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.